Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Which of the following statements are correct in respect of the new Collective Quantified Goal, NCQG? 1. The purpose of the NCQG is to address climate change, adaptation and mitigation of financing needs. 2. The NCQG is part of the Paris Agreement. 3. The NCQG needs to be reviewed and updated every year. Select the answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer is option A. Statements 1 and 2 are correct. The new Collective Quantified Goal, NCQG, focuses on mobilizing finance for both climate change adaptation, supporting vulnerable countries in managing impacts, and mitigation, reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The NCQG is an integral part of the climate finance framework under the Paris Agreement. This aligns with the periodic reviews of progress made under the Paris Agreement, allowing countries to assess and increase their financial contributions over time. Statement 3 is incorrect. The NCQG is intended to be reviewed and updated every 5 years, not annually. Consider the following with reference to the Barak River. 1. The Barak River is a part of the Meghna Basin. 2. The Barak River splits into Surma and Kushiara rivers. 3. The Barak River flows through the Manas National Park. 4. The Sikkim state form a part of the Barak River basin. How many of the above are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. Only 3. D. All 4. Answer is option B, 1 and 2 only. The Barak River flows into Bangladesh, where it joins the Meghna River system, making it a part of the Meghna Basin. In Bangladesh, the Barak River divides into two distributaries, the Surma and Kushiara rivers, which contribute to the Meghna River system. Statement 3 and 4 are incorrect. The Manas National Park is located in western Assam near the Bhutan border, far from the Barak River, which flows through the Kachar district of Assam. The Barak River basin is confined to the northeastern states of Manipur, Mizoram, Assam, Nagaland, and Tripura. Sikkim lies outside this basin. Thank you.